I'm Joey Shaver. I own Datum Manufacturing, which is a small contract manufacturing company. We specialize in mill turn machines. Think round parts with a lot of milled features into them. What helps us get more work is being able to make non-traditional lathe parts on the lathe. So parts that have more milled features where people would, they'd run it on a lathe first and then go over to the mill and do their milling operations. And what we do pretty well with the Eurotech machines is we're able to put all that into one machine and to get the part out complete in one stop. The decision around the 620 was driven around the live tools on that machine. The live tool package on that machine is beefier than on a lot of other machines. The turret is bigger and it actually houses the live tool drive. So the transfer of power for live tooling is a lot better on that machine than other machines. And also it's a 15 station turret, so we add 3 more tools versus just a standard 12 station machine. With the different tool holders that you can get, you might have only 15 stations on the turret, but we've had some parts where we have over 25 tools on the turret at one time that we're actually using to make the part. It's a very easy machine to use, but it has all of the capability and the high-end, bells and whistles of a really high-end machine. The Gantry system saves you from scrapping parts after you've spent, say, 90% of the time making the part. The last 10% of getting the part out of the machine, the Gantry it's like a foolproof way to get it out. The bucket system that I've seen other single turrets have and I've used, you're always trying to pad that or make it so that your part doesn't get dinged up after you spend all that time on it. You have to have somebody there. So even if you can catch it with a bucket, say you have an ejector in the sub spindle and you push it into a bucket and you receive it through the door, you have to pick that part out right away before you start running another part, because if the next part comes out and hits that one, if there's any weight to it, it's gonna ding it up. If you look at, your stoppage time between the bar feeder, the machine, and then getting the part out of the machine, there becomes like so many more stopping points when you can't get the part out and just keep going. The Gantry it's way less downtime. The unattended runtime, that's where we can make money. With the way that the talent pool right now is, and everybody's going through this, you can't get enough of the right operators in front of the right machines, right? So if you're having to stick one operator in front of one machine or 2 machines instead of one operator in front of 5 machines, right? I mean, it's a huge issue. So that really helps us, being a small shop, being able to run a lot more capacity than, say, we should be able to because of that. This is what our shop tries to do, is milled features on round parts. So if we're having issues with milled features, it's going to be because of the live tool whole drive system, right? And on this machine, the drive system is it's better than on other machines. But I've talked to people that have actually run, say Nakamura's or Mazaks or whatever it is, and you can only get past a certain RPM and torque limit where you have to slow things down to be able to get the finishes that you need. The 620 kind of just lets you do anything.